Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Ali Priswandi from the Information System Department. I am from class 191813. I want to explain English material, namely about question word. The question word, understanding. The question word is a word for asking a question. The question asked from a noun clause or adjective clause. Type of word question word: 1. Who atau siapa, 2. Where di mana, when kapan, why mengapa, what apa. Number 1. Who atau siapa. Struktur kata who terdiri dari who plus verb, kata kerja, plus objek jika diperlukan, atau who plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb. The question word who is used to ask someone or point to someone, or usually also used to refer to a certain group. Example of sentence: who is the best player football in the world? Siapa pemain bola terbaik di dunia? Contoh lainnya, who is the winner of the Ballon d'Or award? Siapa pemenang penghargaan Ballon d'Or? Who also consists of several question words, such as whom and was. Whom is used to ask about who, but refers to an object, while was asks about ownership. Whom is used to refer to the object of a verb or preposition, the person affected by an action. Example sentences using the word whom: the girl whom I met yesterday is my sister. Perempuan yang aku temui kemarin adalah saudaraku. Contohnya itu, the word was is used to replace possessive pronouns and explain someone's ownership. Here are some examples of sentences that use the word was. Example sentences using the word was: Anna is married to a man whose father is the minister of the economy. Anna menikah dengan laki-laki yang ayahnya adalah menteri perekonomian. Number 2, where atau di mana. Struktur kata where adalah where plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb. Where means when you translate to Indonesia, you can use the word where to ask where you are, where you are going, or the location of place. Example sentences: where does Ronaldo live? Di mana tempat tinggal Ronaldo? Atau contoh keduanya, where is the Santiago Bernabeu Stadium located? Di mana letak lokasi Stadion Santiago Bernabeu? Use of the word where as a connecting word. The word where can also be used as a connecting sentence. Example of a connecting sentence using the word where: This is the midwife where I was born. Ini adalah bidan di mana tempat aku dilahirkan. Atau contoh kedua, do you remember where I met? Kamu ingat di mana tempat kita bertemu? Use the word where in indirect sentence. When we repeat someone question about a place. Example of indirect sentence using the word where. Example contoh yang pertama, I wonder where he went. Saya bertanya-tanya kemana dia pergi. Atau contoh kedua, she wanted to know where you live. Dia ingin tahu di mana kamu tinggal. Example of other sentence using the word where. Example 1, where should we park? Di mana kita harus berpisah. Atau contoh kedua, I don't know where he come from. Saya tidak tahu di mana dia berasal. Number 3, when atau kapan. Struktur kata when adalah when plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb. Words that are often used to ask or explain the time of an event or event. Here are some ones to use when. Example sentence using the word when. Example 1, when did Messi win the World Cup? Kapan Messi memenangkan Piala Dunia? Atau contoh kedua, when did Real Madrid win the Champions League? Kapan Real Madrid memenangkan Liga Champions? When as connecting word. When dengan kata penghubung. Connect to sentence to explain when action occurs. Example of a connecting sentence using the word then. Contoh yang pertama, call me when you get home. Telepon aku ketika kamu sampai di rumah. Atau example number 2, they we are about to leave when she walked in. Mereka akan pergi ketika dia masuk. When as an adverb of time atau adverbial. Explain the time of the event in a sentence. Example of a adverb of the sentence using the word when. Example number 1, I remember the moment when CR7 left Real Madrid. Aku ingat momen dimana saat CR7 keluar dari Real Madrid. Atau contoh kedua, I remember when we met. Aku ingat kapan kita bertemu. Number 4, why, mengapa. This question word is used to ask the reason of course of something. Example of a sentence using the word why. Number 1, why did Real Madrid lose to Barcelona? Mengapa Real Madrid bisa kalah dari Barcelona? Atau contoh kedua, why does Manchester United always lose? Mengapa Manchester United selalu kalah? Sentence struktur used the word why atau struktur kata tanya why. Struktur pertanyaan kalimat menggunakan kata why mengikuti pola why plus subject plus verb kata kerja. Example, why did Messi leave Barcelona? Mengapa Messi pergi dari Barcelona? Atau contoh kedua, why do they like this movie? Mengapa mereka suka film ini? Answers to the sentence were. Kata why bisa dijawab menggunakan kata because, karena, since, due to, karena disebabkan oleh. Example, contoh pertama, why did you choose this job? Mengapa kamu memilih pekerjaan ini? Dijawabnya, because I enjoy helping people. Karena saya suka membantu orang. Example of question using the word why in everyday. Contoh penggunaan kata why di hari-hari. Why do you keep studying? Mengapa kamu terus belajar? Atau contoh kedua, why do you like futsal? Mengapa kamu suka futsal? Number 5, what atau apa. This question word is used for identities, name, atau information. Example, what's your name? Siapa namamu? Atau what are you doing? Apa yang kamu lakukan? Sentence struktur used the word what. Struktur kata what berpola what plus auxiliary kata bantu plus subject plus verb kata kerja atau what plus verb plus subject. Contohnya, what happened? Apa yang terjadi? Atau what is your name? Siapa nama? Use of the word what in various things. Menanyakan pekerjaan atau aktivitas. Contohnya, what are they talking about? Apa yang mereka bicarakan? Contoh kedua, what do you mean? Apa yang mereka maksud? Contoh menanyakan pilihan. What do you choose, Messi or Ronaldo? Apa yang kamu pilih, Messi atau Ronaldo? Contoh keduanya, what do you want to do? Apa yang ingin kamu lakukan? Answer to the word what. Jawaban biasanya memberikan informasi objek, nama, detail, atau dari suatu hal. Example, what is your favorite football team? Apa tim sepak bola favoritmu? Dijawab, My favorite football team is Real Madrid. Tim sepak bola favoritku adalah Real Madrid. Atau contoh kedua, what are you watching? Apa yang kamu tonton? I'm watching the movie Venom. Saya sedang menonton Venom. That's all the material for me. If the ads are lacking, I'm sorry. That is all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, I want to take a moment to talk about the recent match between Indonesia and Bahrain. As a fan, I know this game brought out a mix of emotion for all of us. It was a hard-fought game, and while the result might not have been what we hoped for, there's still a lot to be proud of. First of all, I want to acknowledge our team. They went out there and gave everything they had. From the beginning to the end, they fought with heart and determination. Sure, we didn't get the win, but watching the push everyone, every challenge, even when things got tough, was inspiring. These players are representing us, and they are doing their best to make of us proud. One thing that stood out to me was our stacking spirit. We had some good chances, some moments that made us all hold our breath and hope for a goal, but maybe we need a little more practice in finishing the stats, turning them into points on the board. I think with more focus on timing and accuracy, those moments will start turning into celebration. On defense, we had some struggles as well. Bahrain managed to break through a few times, and it showed us their room to take it up and strengthen our backline. But you know what? This is a part growing and learning as a time. Each game is a step forward, even if it does always feel that way. Speaking of Bahrain, we have to give credit where it's due. They come in with a clear strategy and play it with discipline and patience. They they did make it easy for us, and I think there's a lot we can learn from watching their approach to the game. Their their composure was impressive, and it's something thing our time can build on as well. But there's the things result on everything, win or loss. Support from this team showed where these players are out there fighting not just for themselves but for all of us. They they're young, they're learning, and they growing. This match might not have ended the way we wanted, but it's a step on a much bigger journey. Let's continue to encourage them because with its game they learning valuable lesson and getting stronger. And of course, let's not forget the amazing support from the fans. Whether you were in the stadium or watching from home, the energy and passion of Indonesia fans are you unlike any other. Where nations then stands by your team, through win and loss, and that's something really special. It means the world to your player to feel that support, and it makes a huge difference. In the end, this game was but just about the score. It was about resilience, growth, and staying united as a team and as a country. I believe in your team, and I believe that bigger days are ahead. This is just one match in a long journey, and I am excited to see where that journey will take us. Thanks for taking time to listen to my thoughts.